Students online, all of you all, very good morning, everyone. A very good morning and welcome to your practical class. I hope all of you all are keeping fine, doing good. Guys, girls, all of you all, last night, it was pretty late when I shared the 2015 web authoring question. Okay, web authoring question of 2015. All of you all, if you all have downloaded it, no probs. If you haven't downloaded it, students online, please start downloading it. I posted it last night on the group. It was a bit late. Everybody, we have to first finish 2012. Everyone, can you all open up 2012? Once we finish this only, we'll start 2015. Okay, so last week we started creating this web page. It was called Inter AYR Special Offers in September. Guys, do you all remember this? Can you guys locate this? So everybody, this was the paper we were working on last week. I'll just open it up and show you all over here. We created a web page like this, but we didn't fill the content yet. We are supposed to fill it. So everybody, can you all locate where your 2012 folder is? 2012 web authoring, can you locate where that folder is? Inside that folder, you should be having a web page called offer. We were supposed to save it as offer. Okay, can you all locate where it is? And then guys, from start, open up Dreamweaver. Some of you all might get a warning saying Dreamweaver is going to expire in 20 days, 30 days. You can say continue trial. Okay, and then let me know later on. Okay. So everybody over here, I don't want to, can you look here for a second? I don't want to create a new HTML document. I want to open an existing HTML document. Agree with me? So here I'm not going to say create new. I'm going to click on open. Guys, look here on the left hand side. Can you see open a recent item? I'm going to go there and say open. Can you see the open folder? I'm going to click on open and say I want to open the offer web page, which is over here. So guys, girls, can all of you all locate it and open it? I'll wait for about 2 minutes. And once you open it up, guys, this is what you should be seeing on your screen. Where is it? Okay, this is what you should be seeing on your screen. Come on, everyone, try your best to locate it and open it. Who is having the pen drive? That is graphics design. You didn't do it, I remember last week. Click that first file on the left hand. Close it. The left hand side, what's the first file? Close this. On Dreamweaver, what's it? Click that. You haven't done it. Watch now. Okay, everybody, guys, girls, everyone, I need to keep moving. So guys, girls, all of you all, we are working on our web page that we were working on last week. Last week, we started the 2012 web authoring past paper question. 2012, okay? I shared the following files with you all. Okay, these files I shared with you all. Okay, and then we created this web page called offer, but we didn't complete it. We have a little more to go. What I'll do is I'll share it on the chat. As much as you all want, you all can try and work with this. Okay, otherwise just observe 2015 onwards, you all can take over. Okay, right. So everybody, guys, girls, I'm going to continue. Everybody over here in our question paper, they had told us we are creating a web page. Everyone look here below. Guys, look here, to advertise a special offer in September. That is what do you call? The purpose of this entire web page is what? To advertise a special offer in September. So everybody, the logo we did, the page title also we did last week. Here, everyone look over here. The page title we already inserted. Then guys, girls, they told us to have a link to the home page. Okay, home page was www.interayr.co.uk. We did that also last week. Everyone look here. We made this a hyperlink. When I click on home page, guys, it will go to a link called www.interayr.co.uk. That was also done. Okay. Then guys, they told us also to put the contact details in the last row. That also we did. Everyone look over here. The contact details have all been put over here. I want you all to do only one more thing. Girls, all of you look here. In your contact details, can you all make address, phone, website, email bold? Everyone, can you all just do only that? So look, first see how I do it. I double click on address. I select address basically. Okay. I right click on address. I come to style and I say bold. Make this bold. Only address, not the details. Phone, I do the same thing. Double click, right click, style, bold it. Website, double click, right click, style, bold it. The same with email also, right click, style, bold it. This, somewhat improves the appearance of your web page. Are we good? So those who have the files, can you all do this? Words like address, phone, website, email. Can you all bold them? 2015, anyone doesn't have? Ashwin, did you download last night? Who is it? Zaved. Zaved, come here and take it. You also don't have it? After give it to her. You haven't selected it properly. Like this, right click on this itself. Okay? What is this? Google Chrome now. Use Dreamweaver. It's all good today. Install, let's see. Oh, so I'm doing Dreamweaver is there. Dreamweaver, when you write it, it will say book style. Okay, I'm not coming behind because I'm gonna move now. Okay? Jaden done? Right, guys, girls, everybody, we are moving then. Okay? Everybody, we have made these balls. Then, guys, girls, everyone, in your second row, they have told you what? Page content, text and image. Everybody, girls, look over here. Your page content, where do you get it from? They told us text document called what? Called notes. They have told you there is a file called notes. Inside that you have all the text that you need. Can you guys go and inspect notes, everybody? Can everyone open up notes and inspect it, read it, and see what should I take, what should I not take? So everybody, when I open up notes, it's a notepad file. So when I double click and open it up, this is what I see here. Let me make it full screen. 50% off to Doha, special weekend break, Ireland, day return trips, Paris, special shopping trips to Munich, fly to Kenya, fly to any US airport. So which one do I take? Exactly, only the ones in September. Wasn't that our heading? Special offers in September, right? So I don't take the first one. The first one is happening in August. I can take the second and third one, isn't it? Second and third one. Okay, so Control C. We come over here. Come to Dreamweaver. We click over here. The second row, second column is where we need to put the text now. Control V. So there you go. You have pasted your text. Okay, boys over there, are you doing it? Okay, text has been copied and pasted. Then guys, can you keep watching? I'll give you 2-3 minutes after this. Guys, examiner has also said not only text, you have to also put an image over there. Are we okay with this? So guys, here we are talking about Ireland now. Can you all go and find Ireland's image? I gave you all a bunch of images, right? So Ireland is image number 3 here. So Control C, we come here. Below this, Control V. Anyone knows what this means? Alternate text. Exactly. If the image doesn't load, you can show some text to the user. Okay. So what shall we say over here? Island cliffs. Island cliffs. Everybody okay with this? Your alternate text can be island cliffs. Now we say okay. Then guys, girls, Paris. I'm going to go down, copy the image for Paris, and then I'm going to come to your laptops. Save your work as you go along. So Paris is over here, image number 5. Control C, Control V, alternate text, Paris, arc. Right, I'm waiting for you all. Save your work as you go along. Right, guys, girls, we are moving on. Everybody, we have now basically done the whole web page. Can everyone look at my screen? Hurry up. Come in front, please. Everyone look at my screen now. I have put everything that they have said to put, I have put. Okay. The logo is there, page title is there, link is there, page content is there, contact details is there. Everything they asked for, I have done. Okay. Right. Now let me go one by one. I'm going to zoom in. The logo, I have done this. Guys, girl, look here. Everyone look here. I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to draw a, where is it? I'm going to put a check mark. I have done this. 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 I'm not missing anything. Background color, done. Text color, did I make it dark blue? Text color also dark blue. That is also done. Then over here, make sure your web page is fit for purpose. Now, guys, can you guys see the output of this on your web browser? Google Chrome or Edge or Safari or Opera, it doesn't matter. See, and guys, the purpose of this is what? User should be able to read the text on it. You get it? The purpose of this web page is what? To advertise a special offer in September. So guys, girls, can you all open it up in your web browser and see, can you actually read it? Okay, if you can read it and if you can understand it, then it's fit for purpose. So everybody, I'm going to open up the web page with Google Chrome. Guys, girls, look here below. When I'm explaining, look, after you all can practice it. I'm going to open this up in Google Chrome now. And when I open it up, guys, you all judge and tell me, is it readable? So it's basically fit for purpose, right? It's then fit for purpose. If you can read it, then it's fit for purpose. Images also clear. I think images can be made a little smaller. So I'm going to, resize the images a bit. Click on the image from the corners, make them a bit smaller. Okay, this looks better. Make this also a bit smaller. From the corners, not from the sides. Then save your work, Control S. Now come and refresh. I think this is good enough. Okay. Boys, girls, everyone, okay with this? Then the examiner says what? Everyone, I'll hand it over to you all now. Examiner says display the web page. Make sure all the content is visible on the screen. Right now, I don't have all the content. I have some of the content. Look here. Some of the content is here. Some of the content is here. So how many screenshots I'll have to take? I'll have to go with 2 screenshots, right? For me to show all the content, I'll have to take 2 screenshots. And where do we paste it? Guys, girls, look here. Where do we paste it? The examiner has told you to create a new Word document. This you all can do on your own now, no? Everybody save your web page. Open a new document using word processing software. Enter task WA1, your name, candidate number, center number in the footer. Save the document as task WA1. Paste your screenshot inside that document. Okay? Now guys, ideally, this should have been said first, right? They should have first told us create a document. And then they should have told us take the screenshot. Isn't it? That should have been the right order. But what to do? This is what they have done. Okay? So everybody, can you all do this then? Let's go into our folder. Everyone, those who have the files, students online, let's go into our folder. Right click and say we need a new Word document. What is the name of the Word document? Task WA1. Task WA1. Then immediately, can you all run down to your footer? Everybody, footer please. We scroll down to our footer, which is over here. Double click. Task WA1, your name, your candidate number, your center number. Okay, task WA1, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Then guys, girls, I'm going to hand it over to you all now. The screenshots, can you all take? Guys, do you all remember shortcut key for screenshot? Control S is save. Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S. So this is my first screenshot. Control V to paste your screenshot. And then take your second screenshot. Windows Shift S. We take our second screenshot. Okay, right. Guys, girls, can you all take over, please? Everybody, with that, we'll be coming to the end of this particular paper. There's no more questions here. Hurry up, guys. I'll give you all 3 minutes. Abdullah, total 15 files to download. Last night, no? Who is that? Okay, everyone, shall I move? Guys, girls, all of you, we are moving now. Okay, we are moving from here. Okay, everybody, guys, girls, we are done with 2012 now. We are going to move on to 2015. So, guys, girls, those of you who downloaded it, I gave it to you all in a compressed format now. I put it all together in a WinRAR file, in a compressed package, and I gave you all. So, again, I'm reminding you all, can you all first close everything related to 2012? Close the question paper, close the images, close the web authoring file. Can you all do that first? The Word document, everything related to 2012. Can you all close first? Guys, girls, everybody, let's first close everything related to 2012 so that we don't mix anything up. The Word document, the Dreamweaver file, the web page, the Chrome file, everything. Can you all close? Then, guys, girls, those who are done, those who downloaded the file yesterday, students online, those of you who downloaded, can you all create a folder inside your web authoring folder? Girls, inside your web authoring folder, can you all create a folder called 2015 web authoring? Those of you who downloaded yesterday, anyone is outside? Those of you who downloaded, okay, those who took it from the pen drive, nothing for you all to do. Those who downloaded it, can you all create a folder inside your web authoring folder? Right click, new folder. The name is 2015 web authoring past paper question. Okay. Then everybody, after creating this folder, can you all go and open up the compressed file you all downloaded? The compressed file that you all downloaded has many files inside it. The compressed file has many files inside it. Can you all just select it? You can do with the mouse, you can select all of them now. Don't select a folder. Don't select a folder. Select the files from bottom to top. Select the files. Shortcut key to copy is Control C to copy. Go to your 2015 folder. Control V. That's all. Control C here. Go to your 2015 folder and Control V. Anyone having problems? So everybody in this class, everybody is practicing 2015, right? Except you, right? Anybody else who is not going to be practicing with me? Now when I come to the laptops, don't tell me a different story. You also got it now? Dreamweaver is also working now? Problem, I'll come to you. Everybody else is practicing, right? Okay, what about you? You need the pen drive. Somebody who has a pen drive? You need to see and take it from there. Okay. Right. So everybody else is practicing then, right? Okay. Guys online, I hope you all are also practicing with me. Navik here, pen drive will not come to you. You go and take it from there. Or tell somebody to pass it to you. Okay. 2015 web authoring past paper question. Right. So everybody, let's open up the question paper now. Put the bag inside, please. Cables already on the ground now. Bottle, everything. Put in the chair there. Okay, right. Guys, girls, everybody. Can you all read this scenario, please? Everybody, read this scenario. I'm coming now. Read this scenario. Yeah, next. Right. Disconnect the Wi-Fi. Just keep saying yes, yes, yes. You want to really research things. Okay, just keep allowing things to go. Read the question, read the scenario. Okay. Everybody, can you read the scenario? Word, you don't need word. For what? Screenshots. To read the question paper, you can open the question paper in Google Chrome even. Yes, sir. You need the word. You need for screenshots. Okay, so those questions you can't do then. Okay?
There's a Word document here with the information.
That's not going to be a problem. Yes, there's a Word document with the information you need to copy. Somebody's outside. Can you call them inside, please? Okay, Duckens Villa Hotel Group has the hotels in London, Chennai, and Hong Kong. The managing director is Frederick Duckens Villa. Okay, his contact details. These are his contact details. Everyone saw this? These are his contact details. And then you have his telephone, you have his email, you have his website. Okay, right. We are moving down now. Everyone, can you come over here? So can you all read this with me? Suggested time 35 minutes. You may use any appropriate software for this activity. Guys, later on when your exams get closer, I will show you. You can even create a web page using Microsoft Word. That is very much later. I'll show you all. But the best software right now for creating a web page is Dreamweaver. Okay, the best software right now. Okay, but towards the exam, I'll show you all how you all can use Word also. Right. Duckens Villa Hotel Group has a website that includes information about the hotels. Guys, what is their website address? Did you guys notice what their website address was? www.dhg2000.co.uk. This is their website address. The examiner says, Frederick, the home page of the website is, when I click on home page, where should I go? Akib, are you with me? Put everything else away. The home page of the website is index.html. Is it clear? When I click on home page, I should be going to index.html. Okay, specifically he has said that. Frederick wants to add web pages about a tourist attraction near each hotel. The web pages will be saved as, so how many web pages are you guys going to be creating? You guys are going to be working on 3 web pages: London, Hong Kong, and Chennai. Okay, right. The web pages must be based on this design. Okay, guys, can you all see this design over here? The logo, the company name, right? Let's look at this as a table. Guys, how many rows, how many columns? 2 rows, 2 columns. Do you all agree with that? 2 rows, 3 columns, I think would be ideal, right? Everyone, what do you all think? 2. This is the first row. This is going to be your second row. How many columns?
3 columns.
I think 3 columns would be good. This is your, one second. This is your first column, your second column, and this is going to be your third column. Boys, girls, everyone, 3 columns would do. Right, can we all open up Dreamweaver and first save the first web page? What's the name of the first web page? The name of the first web page is London. Can we all say it? Let's save our first web page as London. Can you all open up Dreamweaver? Save the web page as London in your 2015 folder. So guys, girls, I'm going to open up Dreamweaver now. Open Dreamweaver. Here you go. Dreamweaver is here. Open it up. If you get a trial warning, you can say continue. Then guys, girls, over here, what do? I need a new HTML document. I need a blank HTML document. Create new HTML. Then over here, step number 1, now itself save it. Before the examiner tells you, you're saving it. Why are we doing this, guys? Because Dreamweaver tends to crash suddenly. Okay, so I'm saving it now itself. File, save. And I'm going to be saving this as in my 2015 folder. Everyone, please make sure you change your folder. In 2015, I'm going to save it as London. London. No need to put .html. Dreamweaver will do that for you. Hurry up, everyone. You know the last time files? If you haven't taken the message, for this level was being called is Dreamweaver installed. Copy that, put inside paper. Copy and put it inside your IC cap. Okay. Okay. Right, guys, everybody. Shall we go insert what? Insert table. How many rows we agreed? 2 rows. How many columns we agreed? 3 columns. Everybody, I'm going to change this again. Everybody, we're going to insert, guys, girls. We are in design view. We are in design view. Insert, everyone look here. I'll zoom in. We're going to insert. We choose table. I need a table from here. Immediately Dreamweaver asks you, okay, how many rows, how many columns? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Okay, your table width, guys, examiner hasn't given a value, so it's entirely up to you to choose. But I like 100% because 100% means what? Full screen. 100% means fit your entire screen. So the table stretches and fits the entire screen. So 100 and I choose percent. I don't type percent. 100%. Do you want borders, guys? Let's remove borders. No need borders this time. So borders, I'm going to make it 0. It looks much more professional without borders. I feel if you want to keep borders. Okay. Examiner hasn't said put or don't put. So it's up to you to decide. Okay. So border 0. Then shall we create it? We now say okay. Everyone okay with this? So now you have your table over here. You have a table with 3 columns and 2 rows. Are we good? Can you all start labeling it? Can you all first merge it? First row, first column, nothing to merge. First row, second column and third column, merging is there, right? Agree with me? Pretty clear, right? Your first row, the second column and third column have to be merged. So I'm going to merge those two. Your second column and your third column, select it, right click, table, merge cells. Make it one single cell. Then guys, I'll give you all one more thing and hand it over to you all. What do you all see in the second row? 1 second, something is wrong with my... What did you tell me? How do you merge it? So guys, look here, second row, first column, second column merged, agree? Second row, first column and second column are merged. Third column is separated. So I'm going to do that. Look here. Everybody, second row, Abdullah, look here. Second row, click, drag and select the second column also. So that these 2 columns are selected. Then you right click and say table, I want to merge it. Okay, Control Alt M would also work. Control Alt M would also work. So Arif, I just repeated it. Arif, have you created your table? Yes or no? Okay, so I'll do this table again. Give me a second. I'll come back to all of you all. Control Z if you mess up. So I need a table with 3 columns, 2 rows. Insert, table, 2 rows, 3 columns. What is your table with? 100%. I want it to fit the entire screen. Do you want borders? No, I don't want borders. So I make borders 0. Now I click on OK. So here you go. My table is created. Now, if you look at the examiner's question, can you see the second column and third column of the first row have been merged? Can you see? For the company name, I'm going to do exactly that. So can you see? First row, second column and third column I selected. So click and drag. I selected those 2 columns. Okay. Now I right click and can you all see table is here? In table, I choose merge cells. If you also notice, can you see Control Alt M is the shortcut key to merge? Choose. Look at the second row. Second row, first column and second column need to be merged. Third column needs to be alone. I'll do that. First column, second column, drag and select. Right click, table, merge cells. Okay. Second two. First row, no? First row, first column is for the logo. Second and third is only for the heading. Everyone look at this layout and do it. Yeah. Right, boys, girls, everybody. Right, everybody, and all of you have done. Very nice. Everybody, let's keep moving. Boys, can you all put a logo? Guys, I have given you all an image called logo. Am I right? I haven't. Yes, correct. Can you all choose one of them as your logo? Shall we go with image one as our logo? Girls, boys, everyone, I'm watching. We are going to use image one as our logo. So I'm going to copy image one. Click on image one, Control C. Come to my web page. Click on the first cell. Control V. As soon as I paste it, it didn't work for me. Why is that? Let's try again. Control C. Come here. Control V. It worked now. Alternate text, guys. I'll say logo. I'll say company logo. I'll just say company logo. Everybody, my alternate text is company logo. And now we say okay. Guys, logo is obviously way too big. From the corners, can you make it smaller? From corners, please make your logo smaller. You can adjust the width of your cells. Look here, guys, look here. I'm adjusting the width of my cell. Guys, do you all see this? I'm adjusting the width of my cell. I'm putting the wrong place. Okay. You didn't adjust from the corner. Going to the side. Okay. Girls, well done, boys, everyone. Anyone's laptop? Abdurrahman? That's it. Right, guys, girls, those who are done, can you insert in the next column, they said company name. Anyone remembers the company name? Dukansvilla Hotel Group. Can you all type that? Dukansvilla Hotel Group. Dukansvilla Hotel Group. Okay, can we get this also down? Next, I will ask you all that too. Okay. Then guys, girls, this is your main heading. This is the main heading in your web page. You need to make it heading. You need to make it heading one. Guys, girls, agree with me? This is the main heading. So you have to select it. Right click, go into paragraph format and say, you know what? Make this heading number one. You have to do that. Okay. Select this. Right click and say paragraph format. Heading number one. You have to make this the main heading of your web page. Okay. Then everybody. Everybody. Your next row says, everybody look over here. Examiner says over here, center line. Can everyone center line the next row? Or don't center line. Can you all do the links first? Links to the home page and the 3 tourist attraction pages. Do you all remember the 3 tourist attraction pages? What were they? London, Hong Kong and Chennai. So can you all do that? Can you all see it center lined also? So can we center line? Let's come to the second row, last column. I'm going to adjust the borders. Everybody, second row, last column, gap is very small. So make the border, pull the border. Guys, online, can you look over here? I'm going to do the hyperlinking now. Okay. Hyperlinking as in I'll put the text, I'll link it later. Can you all see the gap here is very, very small for this cell. So click on the borders and pull it. Okay, now you have enough space to type or make it even bigger if you want it. Then can somebody remind me, how do we center align? You right click, align, center. Right click, align, center. Can you see your cursor is blinking in the center? Okay, so what do we type here? Home page.
And then make it.
We'll do that later. London, Hong Kong, Chennai. Save your work as you go along. Home page, London, Hong Kong, and Chennai. Your typing is the wrong place now. You should be typing here. Right, boys, girls, everyone, we're gonna move forward. Everybody, guys, examiner has very clearly told us, boys, examiner has told us, when I click on home page, where should I go? Index.html. Do we have a page like that? We don't have, but the examiner said go there. So you just do what he tells you to do. So everyone look here. I'm going to select the word home page. See, I selected home page. At the bottom, guys, can you all see we have link? Everyone, can you all see link over here? At the bottom, we have link. In the properties box, we have link. I'm going to click on that and say index.html. The link, the hyperlink, when I click on home page, I should be going to an address called index.html. There is nothing there. There is no address like that, but this is what the examiner told you to do. The examiner will check your code and see, did you connect it to such an address? If you did, you get your mark. Enter to confirm. Yes, enter to confirm. .html. Then, guys, girls, when I click on London, where should I go?
London.
To the same web page, right? When I click on London, boys, when I click on London, I should again come to the same London web page. Agree, right? So watch what I do. Everyone look here. I'm going to double click on London. I'm going to right click and say make this a link. Right click on London and say make it a link. Then it asks you, okay, where do you want to go? I want to go to a specific file. So I go to my 2015 folder and I choose London. Where's my London web page? My London web page is right here. You all saved your London web page now? So you can go and choose London. Say okay. Right, I'm waiting for you all. Save your work as you go along. Yeah, Fula. Thank you. Huh? The web page in 2015 folder. How is that? Link again. Prabhu, the home page link is done or London page? Which one you wanted? London. Okay. So those who couldn't do it, look here. Look here. I'm going to undo this. Control Z and undo it. I'm going to select London. Okay. If you right click on London, can you all see there's an option called make link? Choose make link. When you say make it a link, your computer asks you, okay, what do you want to do when the user clicks on this? Do you want to open a file or do you want to open a URL? I want to open a file. So where is my file? My file is in my 2015 folder. Okay. In my 2015 folder, I want to come to London web page. Okay. Now I click on OK. So now this word London is connected to the web page London. Okay. Done? Sorry? Exactly. I'm telling that from the beginning, everyone. Press again. No. That means you haven't saved it at all. No, it won't come like that. Save it now in your 2015 folder. You're pressing Control S or Control Alt S. See, we look. Right, boys, girls, everybody, something a bit confusing here. Girls, everyone, look here, Velo. Boys, girls, everyone, look here. Guys, when I create Hong Kong, how should I save it? Hong Kong, no spaces, .html. When I create Chennai, how should I save it? Just Chennai. Now, guys, look here. Everyone, look here. I'm going to create the Hong Kong hyperlink even though I did not create the web page yet. You guys understood? I'm going to create the hyperlink before creating the web page. Is it a problem? It's not a problem as long as you create the web page. Okay, everybody. Normally we create a web page and then create a hyperlink. No, this time I'm going to do it the other way around. I'm creating the hyperlink first. So when I'm going to choose Hong Kong, I'm going to right click and say make it a link. And then I'm going to say go where? Go to the 2015 folder and look for a file called Hong Kong, no spaces, Hong Kong.html. Now guys, girls, when you all create your Hong Kong web page, follow the same spelling. Hong Kong, no spaces. Are we okay? Everybody, when you all create your web page, for this hyperlink to work, you must give the exact same name. Otherwise, the hyperlink won't connect. Okay? So everybody, what am I doing? I'm creating my hyperlink before I actually create the web page. Okay? Repeat it again, of course. Cancel this. So what did I say? I'm going to connect the word Hong Kong to the web page Hong Kong. I don't have a web page called Hong Kong, but I'm creating the hyperlink before I create a web page. Okay? So how do I do that? Right click, make it a link. Then my computer asks me, okay, where do we go? Come to the 2015 folder. And what file do we take? Take a file called Hong Kong. And I'm not keeping any spaces. Hong Kong.html. I'm telling my computer, come to 2015 and look for a file called Hong Kong.html. Right now, the link wouldn't work because you don't have a file. But later on, when you create the file, make sure you put the exact same name in the same folder. Then the link will connect. Okay? Those who are done, can you all do the same for Chennai? We haven't created Chennai, but we are going to create the link. Only remember the name. So that when you actually create the Chennai file, you must give the same name. Then only the linking will work properly. So Hong Kong is done. Now I'm going to do Chennai. Choose Chennai, right click and say make it a link. Go to the 2015 folder and look for a file called Chennai.html. Make sure when you actually create Chennai, you put the same name. Otherwise, the link will not connect. And now click on OK. What did you call me for? Save your work as you go along. Are you done with London? Of course, go ahead. Keep comparing your work with mine, but perfect.
So I sent
I sent in the your PDF files are opening with Chrome. Okay. Where is your London? Where is London is not there. Where is London? Same. Sit there. Come there. Next everything. Say okay and say. Right, boys, girls, everyone. Everybody, boys, girls. I'll come to you. Everyone, can you look here, guys? Everyone. You made the web pages and saved them. Okay. Who is this? Natuli? Yes, no problem. Perfect. Then Natuli, you have to go back and edit those web pages that you created. Now, when we move on to Hong Kong, you have to go into Hong Kong and make the changes. You get it? But you're going to run into a small problem, which I will show you at that time. Okay. I'll show you at that time. Right, everybody, guys, girls, in your second row, everybody in your second row, can you see everything is center aligned? Can you all put the cursor in the center? Boys over there, what's going on? Come on. Can you all put the cursor in the center? Devices away, look over here. In your second row, can you all center align it? First put the cursor in the center, then we can copy and paste. Right click, align, center. Now my cursor is in the center. The page title will definitely be about London, right? Where do we get all our text from? From a file called Tourist. Can everyone open up Tourist and copy and paste the text? So I have a Word document called Tourist. Open it up. And we copy and paste the text. So here we have, where is London? London is here. London Big Ben. I'll just copy the whole thing. Control C. Come over here. Control V. Very nice. Now guys, I don't need to tell it, right? London will be formatted as heading 2. Paragraph format. Heading 2. Big Ben will be formatted as heading 3. Paragraph format. Heading number 3. Okay, save your work as you go along. What happened? Right, so everybody, guys, girls, all of you, where are we? We are over here. London is heading number 2. Big Ben is heading number 3. Where do we get our image? Image needs to appear below the title. So can you all find an image for London? We have an image called London. Am I right? Yes, we have an image called London. Control C. We come over here below the page title, below London. Enter. Control V. The alternate text, we can again say Big Ben, or you can say London. I'll say Big Ben dash London. Boys. And we paste it over here. I'm waiting for y'all, everyone. Can you all get this image pasted? Sorry? Put Big Ben London or something like that. Okay? Size, no, the size it's having right now is good enough. Okay? Its current size is good enough. Hurry up, everyone. Save your work as you go along, boys. Save your work as you go along. Then, guys, girls, we have one more thing to be done in the London web page, which is your background color and your font color. Can you see background color needs to be pale yellow, text color needs to be dark blue. So guys, anyone modify page properties, right? Boys behind. We go into modify page properties in dark blue. dark blue. Our background color as dull, what did it say? Pale yellow. Pale yellow background and dark blue text. That's done. Page properties. For text color, choose a dark blue color. Am I done? Okay, background, choose a pale yellow color. You can go ahead and click on apply and say okay. Apply, okay. Can you all save your work, boys? Save your work. Okay. Are we done? Made done? No, the background color and all done. Now everyone look over here. Guys, girls, everyone look over here. Everybody, I need to use everyone look here. The same structure, only this area will change. Only this content will change. Everything else will be the same for the Hong Kong web page. Clear? So are you going to start again from scratch? Are you going to start again from scratch for Hong Kong web page? Answer is no. You can use this itself. So guys, how do I save this file under a different name? Save as. Everybody are okay with that? It creates a copy of this file and allows me to put a different name. Can you all do that? Everyone, file, save as. Save as, what does save as do? It basically makes a copy of your file and allows you to change the name. So I'm going to say Hong Kong. Guys, remember the spelling? My hyperlink was Hong Kong without any spaces. So I'm going to put the same name, Hong Kong, in one word. And I'm going to click on save. Now, Natalie, online, you are doing right. You will have to, now you have already created your web pages. You will have to basically press Control A, copy everything, and then go and paste it in your Hong Kong web page. Actually, is it okay? Because you have already created your web pages, so you have to now do a copy and paste. File, save as, and save this as Hong Kong. Save as, not save. So I have now made a copy of this web page over there, boys. Okay there? Okay, so can you all change the content now? Instead of London, we change this to Hong Kong. Instead of this image, we get the Hong Kong image. Where is the Hong Kong image? It's over here. Everyone, we have an image called Hong Kong. Control C. I'll come and paste it over here. Control V. For alternate text, I'll again say Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Then can now go and get the text. Victoria, what? Peacock Park. Peak, Control C. Peak needs to be heading number 3. Read for all the pages. Super, Natalie. Excellent. Huh? Hyperlinks, do we need to do again?
No.
They're already done, right? Hyperlinks, we don't need to do again. They're already done. We are just reusing them. Okay? We are just reusing our hyperlinks. Then say okay. That means you have made some changes.
So we should delete them.
Why deleting it? Who told you to delete it? You need London, you need Hong Kong, you need Chennai. Okay? I'm moving on to the last one then, Chennai. So guys, again, Chennai, I'm not going to create from scratch. I'm going to create a copy of Hong Kong. Everyone, I'm going to create a copy of Hong Kong. File, save as. So now it's making a copy and asking me what is the new name. The new name is going to be Chennai. Three web pages, Hong Kong and Chennai. I have 3 web pages. Can you all do the same? And guys, Chennai image is very, very big. Can you all make it smaller from the corners? Or at the bottom you have width and height? No, divide it by 10. If it's 4,000, make it 400. The Chennai temple image, it's a very big image. So in properties at the bottom, instead of Navik done, temple image also you resized. Let's do that. Come on. Everyone, why don't you look at my screen? I'll get the temple image. Look here, boys, look here. Girls, boys, everyone look here below. In Chennai, everyone look here. Aman, all of you look here. The temple image, Control C, Control V. I'll just say temple. Can you guys see? It's a massive image. Boys, girls, look here. Very big image. I'm going to click on this. At the bottom, we have the properties now. It's 4,000 by 3,000. I'll just remove 1 0. Instead of 4,000, I'll make it 400. Instead of 3,000, I'll make it 300. Enter to confirm. If you want to adjust your borders, double click. Double click on your borders to auto adjust. Savannah, I'll come to you. What do you say? Yeah. London image and the text below. Arif, when you say, could you do the Hong Kong part, meaning saving part or the text part? Are you talking about saving this web page or putting the, oh, I forgot to change it. I forgot to put Hong Kong here. Hong Kong. Then we copy and paste the text here. Victoria B. Okay. So the heading will become Hong Kong. Clear? In your Hong Kong web page, the heading will be Hong Kong. The image will be the Hong Kong image. The text will be the Victoria Peak text, because the Victoria Peak text is about Hong Kong now here. So you just copy this Victoria Peak text and paste it here and make Victoria Peak heading number 3. This is heading number 1, heading number 2, heading number 3. And this will be a paragraph. Okay. Everyone done? Guys, girls, whatever. Task WA1, can you all open it up? Immediately go down to your footer. Everyone, footer please. We scroll down, we open up our footer. Huh? No, you need, I can't remember. I think there are some more questions. Task WA1, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Everyone, let's get busy. How to? Right, everybody, can you all open up each web page in Google Chrome and take a screenshot? Boys, girls, can you all open up each web page in Google Chrome? Examiner says what? Everybody, examiner says over here. For each of all the content is visible, take a screenshot, paste into task WA1. So I'm going to do that one by one. First, I'm going to open up London in Google Chrome. So everybody, I open up London, but is all the content visible? No. Can you all zoom out a little bit? Control minus to zoom out. Control minus and you can zoom out. Now all the content is visible now. Take a screenshot. Windows. Shift S. It goes into screenshot mode, top to bottom. Control minus, zoom out, Windows Shift S. From top to bottom. Then we have Chennai, it over here. Guys, girls, I'm going to give you all 3 minutes. Can you all get ready? Screenshots, please. Amma, what's going on? Screenshots. Save all your web pages, open them up, and paste them. Somebody is trying to
Image here. I'm just wait for a doctor to take a speed to everything. Oh, they only three. The word document you created. You were supposed to create a 5 minute. Ask WA1.
I just.
What is happening over there? Give back. Yes, everybody. Now we're going to move away from screenshots. Everybody, we are done with screenshots now. We're going to move on to our question over here. Examiner says, make sure that all that is done, task WA is done. We say in Google 15 folder. In our 2015 folder, we have a new folder. Right click, new folder. Not folder, Word document. My bad. Right, new Word document, everyone. task WA2. Task WA2. Can everyone create that? Inside this, what do we do? Again, can you go to your footer, everybody? Double click and open your footer. Task WA2, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Can everyone do that, please? Everyone, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Are you okay with this? Come on, everyone. Avik, what's wrong? Task WA2, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Hurry up, please. Then the examiner tells us, everybody, the examiner then tells us, identify one formatting technique you have used and where have you used it on. So pick a technique that you can give a reason for. What technique shall we talk about? Formatting is anything that you do to improve the appearance of your web page. Which one shall we take?
Center line.
Background color.
Yes.
How, why, one reason for using this technique?
Make the text appear.
Okay, use contrasting colors. Okay. What did you say?
The center line.
Center line. Why did you use it?
Make it more clear.
To make it look more organized, shall we say? Guys, what about different heading sizes? Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. This makes it easy to explain. Why did we use it? To show what is the main heading, what is the subheading, what is the sub-subheading. You get it, guys? Okay, so I'm going to talk about that because I can explain that easily. So everybody, I'm going to say over here, identify one formatting technique you have used. I'll talk about heading sizes. So task what? Task WA2, question A, Roman number 1. Everybody, you can talk about any formatting technique as long as you can give a reason why you used it. Task WA2, question A, Roman number 1. I used various heading sizes on my web page. I use various heading sizes on the main heading, subheading, and sub-heading on my web pages. Everybody okay with this? So they told me to first identify what did I do and where did I use it. Then second question is give a reason why you used it. I used various heading sizes to signify what is the main heading and what is the sub heading. The reason I use different heading sizes to show the user what is the main one and what is the sub one. Okay. Right, time to move, guys. Last question. Everybody, come on, last question. Right, guys, girls, the last question over here says, open your London web page. Display the source code for the web page. Guys, girls, can you all do that? We go to our London web page on Google Chrome. How do we see the source code of this?
Right click, inspect.
Right click,
Inspect.
not inspect. You can do inspect, view page source. Everybody, boys, look here. You right click and say view page source. Now you can see the coding over here now. This was the coding that was put into creating your web page. Examiner then says, highlight the link to your Hong Kong web page. Can you all see they are testing your ability to read code?
Right
Okay.
click.
So guys, can you all find the line that has the code connecting to your Hong Kong web page?
Should be line 32.
It will be different for each person. For me, it is on line 32. For others, I don't know. Everybody, do you all find your code? For me, this is my code that connects Hong Kong to hongkong.html. Did you find your code? Everybody, now the examiner is testing your ability to read code. So here, Hong Kong is connected in this particular line. We have the text Hong Kong, it's connected to hongkong.html. And then after highlighting it, take a screenshot and paste in task WA2. With that, we come to an end. Now we call of you all. Everybody, after highlighting this, boys, after highlighting this, take a screenshot. Windows Shift S. And now you can paste your screenshot in your Word document. Are we okay with this? Index.html you don't need. I mean, you need in the web page. Examiner is not asking about that. Examiner is asking about Hong Kong. Highlight the Hong Kong part and take a screenshot. Everybody, save your work, please. Hong Kong part is? So highlight it. Right now, understand. Everybody, guys, girls, my bad. Copy and paste the code, not screenshot the code. Everybody, copy and paste the code, not so select that and make it black color font. Everybody, they didn't say screenshot, they said copy. If you took a screenshot, no problem, but copy and paste the code, not screenshot, my bad. Everybody, copy and paste the code. Okay? Everybody, not screenshot, copy and paste. What's wrong? Done? Okay, everybody, until we meet again then on Monday, take care, stay safe. See you all on Monday. Okay? Have a nice day, all of you all.